one of the things that I really am interested in is not a particular Yiddish writer, but in getting Yiddish literature recognized as part of world literature. Because the Yiddish writers, by and large, were readers of world literature. Sholem Aleichem knew Tolstoy's works intimately. Mendele knew the European writers. Sholem Aleichem was influenced by Dickens. They read widely. I'm not going to go through the names of the authors, but all of those great late 18th, early 19th century writers influenced them. And their works may not always be on a par with those people who influenced them, but they are part of that tradition. And so one of the things is I'm trying to work on now is not so much a single writer, but to make the point that, look, here's this Yiddish literature that's part of the continuity of European literature, or in some cases, American literature.